Hi, thank you for joining us. My name's Nick and I'm a sales rep at VIVOTEK USA. Today we're going to be showcasing the FD8355EHV, our newest fixed dome camera in our product line. I have Mr. Leo Idler, one of our sales engineers here at VIVOTEK, and he's going to tell you a little bit more about the camera.
Thanks, Nick. Today I'll do a product overview and we'll cover the general spec of the camera through a quick hands-on session. Afterwards, we'll cover the key technologies that really make this camera perfect for challenging lighting conditions. Now let's take a look. The FD8355EHV is an outdoor rated camera. It's weatherproof, vandal-proof, and has a built-in heater for extreme conditions. It has a 1.3 megapixel sensor capable of capturing 1280 by 1024 images at 30 frames per second. It supports dual codecs, MJPEG and H.264, and it can output 2 streams simultaneously. If we open it up and take a look at the inside of the camera, it comes with a 3 to 10 millimeter varifocal lens that can be adjusted by controlling the built-in stepper motor inside the lens assembly. With the Smart Focus system, the lens can be adjusted remotely using the camera UI or be adjusted locally by connecting a handheld monitor to the back of the camera and using the focus assist buttons located on the side to help with focus and zoom. Also, the camera has a built-in P-iris that can precisely control the iris opening and improve depth of field. This is a day-night camera that has a built-in removable IR cup filter to prevent color shifts. The filter is controlled automatically by a light sensor mounted on the board. If you want to see at night, this camera's LEDs are pretty powerful and can illuminate a space over 90 feet away. This unit also has a 3-axis gimbal, which enables the installer to pan, tilt, and rotate to easily get the desired field of view. Now if we take a look at the back of the camera, we can see there's a reset button to set the camera to its factory default, a micro SD slot that will enable you to record locally in the camera, as well as serve as redundancy if recording to an NVR. The AV port will enable the user to connect a speaker as well as access analog video. There's an audio in port to connect an external microphone. PoE-enabled Ethernet port to connect the camera to the network, as well as provide power to it if using a PoE switch or injector. Optionally, if you want to power the camera using AC or DC power, you can do it through the 8-port terminal block. For external alarms or dry contacts, the digital input and output can also be accessed through this block. The FD8355EHV has WDR Pro 2, which is an advanced version of WDR Pro. It boasts an impressive dynamic range of up to 140 decibels, which is considered to be one of the highest ratings in the industry. Through this example, one can clearly see the effectiveness of WDR Pro 2 by making the LEDs appear and the object more identifiable in this high contrast scene. It achieves this by taking 4 separate images simultaneously at different exposures and combining them using a sophisticated algorithm to create a composite frame. This provides clear images under high contrast lighting conditions. The Smart IR feature was developed to address a common challenge when using IR at night. Typically, a subject can look washed out and difficult to identify as it gets closer to a conventional camera with IRs. With Smart IR, the camera evaluates the scene and automatically adjusts the infrared lighting and exposure as the subject moves closer to or further away from the camera. This results in a clear, identifiable image that isn't washed out or too dark. This camera uses the next generation Supreme Night Visibility technology. or SNB. The lens and sensor can capture significantly more detail and color in extreme low light environments. The CMOS image sensor has improved sensitivity in both visible and infrared light ranges, which enable it to identify objects even in nighttime conditions. Noise reduction has been improved on the FD8355EHV by adapting 3D-NR technology. It works by analyzing the differences between successive frames, improving noise identification over traditional 2D noise reduction, which only analyzes individual frames. This further suppresses signal noise and generates good image quality under low light conditions. Another added benefit is improved system loading, storage, and bandwidth consumption.
Alright, that wraps up our product introduction. The FD8355EHV is now available for purchase. If you have any questions, please contact your distributor, local reseller, or call our sales office at our toll-free number. You can also send us an email. Our address is salesusa@vivotek.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.